We're taking it to the Great White Way. Welcome back, and today we're going to continue with the low alcohol by volume cocktails, and we're going to create an Adonis. Now, the Adonis was created for a burlesque show on Broadway. Honestly, I believe it was one of the first musicals on Broadway and was one of the first to ever make it to 500 performances, making it, at the time, the longest running Broadway musical out there. This is another very low-proof cocktail. It's very similar to the bamboo that we had last week, and in fact, it utilizes the same sherry, just instead of dry vermouth, we're using sweet vermouth. I've never had this again, and sure, let's create it. Need your mixing glass. And to this, I'm going to actually go with a dash of orange bitters. Typically, it does not call for it, but it is an option, especially if you think this has a little less depth. Utilizing the bamboo as an idea, I'm using one dash of orange bitters. Before I add anything else, I'm going to go ahead and start adding ice. I'm going to fill this up as much ice as I can because honestly, it needs to be cold again. Okay, glass filled with ice. A new contestant to the program. This is Carpano Antica Formula. This is a sweet vermouth in a Torino style, just like other Italian vermouth. But, good pop. A little sweeter from what I understand. Utilizes more vanilla than just how a Martini and Rossi is made. Ounce and a half of Carpano Antica Formula. And now bringing back our Fino Sherry. I need an ounce and a half of Fino Sherry. Ice already in the glass. Get your bar spoon, get it down there. Let's give this thing a stir. Grab a Nick and Nora or a small coupe. Again, julep strainer, much like last time. A strain. The Adonis. Cheers. Okay. The nutty quality from the sherry is still prevalent. The sweet vermouth adds a slight, to me, it adds a slight honey overtone in the metallic sweetness type of way. It's not sweet, it is dry, but it's fine. You know, it's slightly sweeter than the bamboo. Still low alcohol by volume, so you can have 2 or 3 of these and really not be in any sort of trouble. Unlike something like a martini where you have 2 or 3 of those and you might need a cab. This you might have 2 or 3 of and might be okay. Still might recommend a cab, but that's me being a little bit overcautious. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that you've seen on this show at any time, check my links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. They are, if you click one of those, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. I greatly appreciate it. And also, we're getting close to the holidays, so gift ideas for anyone that wants to make cocktails, or even for yourself if you want to indulge a little bit. If you want to check my socials, they are right here. I try to be on my personal page on Saturday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I admit I've been a little lacking, but I will certainly try and get back into there. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.